Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you Matar Paneer Bhurji. It's very tasty and very delicious recipe. I have a homemade paneer, then I have 1 cup frozen peas, all the spices, coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt, black pepper 1 teaspoon each, garam masala half teaspoon, fresh ginger and garlic 1 teaspoon each, 1 onion, it's a small size. To garnish our Matar Paneer Bhurji, we're going to use fresh cilantro, which is dhania. And for our tadka, we're going to use olive oil. And let's start making our delicious Matar Paneer Bhurji. I'm going to start gas. Get a pan. I'll bring olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and you can use any vegetable oil. Matar Paneer Bhurji, I'm not going to use jeera. You can use it if you want to. And I'll bring ginger, garlic, we're going to cook them like 20 seconds. This is good enough. Now I'll bring onion. Mix them well. And we're going to saute our onion for 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking our onion for 3 minutes, it's nicely translucent, and I'm going to bring all the spices at the same time. And we're going to mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices along with our tadka for half a minute. Now I'll bring the sweet peas, and these are frozen. Mix it well. We'll bring gas to medium. Keep mixing, and now I'm going to bring the paneer. Mix it well. So it's nicely combined. We're going to cover with the lid and we're going to cook on medium gas for 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to open it. I'm going to stir it once so it won't get burned at the bottom. Then another 2 minutes, we're going to open it. Altogether cooking for 5 minutes. I'm going to turn on the fan and I'm going to open it. Mix it well. And I'm going to bring gas on high. And I'm going to make sure there is no moisture content. So keep moving. On high gas, with open lid, cooking for additional 1 minute. I'm going to turn off the gas. Our Matar Paneer Bhurji is ready. And the last ingredient we're going to bring, good amount of cilantro. And mix it well. I'm going to get my serving bowl and I'm going to dish out. Look at how delicious Matar Paneer Bhurji. So let me share with you. Our tasty and delicious Matar Paneer Bhurji is all ready, and please try it, and I hope you're going to like this dish. Like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. For auto and DIY videos, please click on Sidhu DIY channel, and I'm going to see you soon with another recipe on Easy Steps. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.